Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect rich cup of mocha coffee right at home. If you are craving for the classic Italian coffee flavor, you are in the right place. First, let's get everything we need. A good quality coffee, ideal medium grind, filtered water, and of course, a mocha pot. If you are grinding your own coffee, aim for a medium grind, similar to sand texture, too fine, and it can clog a mocha pot. Fill the bottle chamber of your mocha pot with water or hot boiling water. Stop just below a safety valve for best result. Add your coffee grounds to the filter basket and gently level them off. No need to press it down. Assemble your mocha pot by screwing the bottom and the top together tightly. Place your mocha pot on the stove over medium heat. It is important not to rush this step. Let the water heat up and slowly push through the coffee. You will hear a gurgling sound once the coffee starts brewing. When the sound becomes a soft hissing, your coffee is ready. As soon as you hear the mocha pot start gurgle and the coffee is rise to the top, remove it from the heat. Leaving it on the stove too long can over-extract the coffee, making it taste bitter. So timing is the key for smooth, rich flavor. Mocha pots come in different sizes, usually measured by the cups. But keep in mind, this is our espresso size cups, not full mugs. For example, 3 cups of mocha pot make about 5 to 6 hours of coffee. Choose the size based on how much coffee you want to brew. If you want just one strong cup, a 1 or 2 cup pot is great. For 2 people, go for a 3 cup pot or larger. And that's it. An authentic flavor cup of mocha coffee made right at home. If you enjoyed this guide, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple home brewing tips